Yelp does not fully remove business listings to preserve historical review data. However, you can mark a listing as permanently closed, which effectively hides it from active searches. First, claim your business listing on Yelp through the business owner tools. This requires verification via email, phone, or third-party integrations like Google My Business. Once claimed, navigate to your business owner dashboard, select Update Business Info, and choose Permanently Closed. You'll also have the option to specify the reason for closure, such as business sold, relocated, or bankruptcy, which will be displayed to users. This process ensures users are informed about the listing status and prevents misleading reviews. Instead of permanently closing your Yelp listing, consider marking it as temporarily closed, especially during economic fluctuations. This option is available in the same Update Business Info section of your dashboard. Note that Yelp retains closed listings indefinitely for algorithmic purposes, even though they are flagged as inactive. Full removal is typically reserved for listings that are duplicates, spam, or violate Yelp's policies. To request removal, use the duplicate or spam reporting tool or email support@yelp.com with evidence. Be aware that fraudulent closures to hide bad reviews can lead to account suspension. Always inform customers through other channels before closing your Yelp listing.